attentively. Respect your teacher and your classmate. Raise your hand when you want to answer or you have a question. And observe cleanliness. Last meeting, we discussed the sources of heat. What are the different ways to produce heat? Marla.
Solar radiation.
Thank you. Adrian.
Gravity.
Oh, thank you. Shane.
Burning.
And the last one is sunshine.
Electricity.
Now, what are the three types of heat? Shane.
Conduction.
Marla.
Convection.
Very good. Adrian.
Radiation.
Okay, very good. Give me an example of conduction. Marla.
Touching a stove.
Next.
Boiling water.
Very good. Now, give me the example of convection. Shane.
Heating water on the stove.
Okay, next. Marla. Adrian.
Hot air balloon.
Okay, very good. The last one is, can you give me an example of radiation? Shane.
Microwave oven.
Okay, very good. The last one is sunshine.
Light from the sun.
Okay, very good. I want you to listen attentively about the sounds that I'm going to play. After that, I want you to list down these sounds you heard. Okay?
Okay.
After writing the sounds you've heard, can you please tell me what are these sounds? Can we have Adrian?
Sounds of cow.
Oh, very good. Next one is sunshine.
Sounds of ambulance.
Thank you.
Teacher.
Oh, please be quiet. Next one is Marlon.
Sound of rooster.
Thank you. Another one, Shane.
Sounds of airplane.
Oh. have Marlon.
Crew, crew.
Okay, where do you think the sounds came from?
The crew came from a rooster.
Okay, thank you. Next one is airplane. Can we have sunshine?
Ing.
Where do you think the sounds came from?
The ing came from the airplane.
Next one is the sounds of pig. Mondrian.
Oink, oink.
Okay, where do you think the sounds came from?
The oinker comes from the pig.
Okay, the next one is the sounds of dog. Can we have Marlon? Okay, where do you think the sounds came from?
The word crow came from a dog.
Okay, very good. And the last one is the sounds of train. Can we have Shane? Where do you think the sounds came from?
Sounds from the tree.
Okay, very good. I have these two columns. Based on the songs that I played earlier, I want you to classify these words that do you think where belong. Can we have Mondrian? Can you please write it down? Okay, very good. Next one is can we have Shane? Okay, can we have Marlon for the next one? Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, for the last sound is can we have sunshine? Thank you. Okay, very good. Now, what are the things belong to these last column?
Sounds of cow. Sounds of rooster. Sounds of pig. Sounds of tree.
How about the right column?
Sounds of ambulance. Sounds of airplane. Sounds of train.
Okay, very good. I want you to look and observe the two columns. What did you observe? Can we have sunshine?
These are from the sounds.
Okay, very good. Do you see a difference between these two? Can we have Marlon?
These are from the sound of legal.
Okay, thank you. Do you think that there is a group name? What do you think it is? Can we have sunshine?
Natural sources of sounds.
Okay, very good. Now, how about the right column? Can we have Marlon?
These are from the sounds of legal.
Okay, now, can you define the natural sources of sound? Sunshine.
Natural sources of sounds are found in nature.
Okay, can you please give me an example? Mondrian?
Waves.
What else? Marlon?
Wind.
Sunshine?
Volcanoes.
Okay, can you now define the man-made sources of sounds? Can we have sunshine?
The man-made sources of sounds that is caused by human activity.
Okay, very good. Can you give me an example, Mondrian?
Human appliances.
Okay, what else? Sunshine?
Factories.
And the last was Shane. Okay, very good. Okay, now I want you to identify the given image of what sounds they produce and what sources of sound. natural sources of sounds or man-made sources of sound? Can we have Maria please for number 1? The next one is sunshine for number 2. The third one is Marlon. And the next one is Shane. And the last one is Maria. Okay, very good. Now, in a one whole sheet of paper, I want you to identify what sources of sounds, either natural sources of sound or man-made sources of sound. Write your answer or the number. Okay, are you done, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now for the assignment, take a turn in your neighborhood and list down the sounds you hear. Classify them according to natural sound and man-made sound. Add a little description on how you feel about hearing these sounds. Do this on your assignment book. Okay, do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Teacher Zach.